In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your phone number on Etsy. Whether you've recently switched service providers or updated your number for any reason, it's important to keep your contact information current on all platforms. We're going to walk through the process step by step, ensuring you have everything you need to make this update smoothly and efficiently. First, you'll want to begin by opening your web browser and heading over to Etsy's official website. Once there, look for the sign-in option, which is usually located in the top right corner. Click on it, and you'll be prompted to enter your email or username and password. If you don't have your password memorized, don't worry, most browsers can save it for you, or you can use the Forgot Password link to reset it. Once you're successfully logged in, you'll find yourself on your Etsy homepage. Next, direct your attention to the top right corner of the page again. There, you should see either your account avatar or the user icon. Click on it, and a drop-down menu will appear. From here, select Account Settings. This is where you'll manage various personal settings connected to your Etsy account. Within the Account Settings page, look for the Edit Profile option and click on it. This will bring up your personal information. Here is where the magic happens. You'll see your current phone number displayed under the Contact Information section. To change it, click on the Edit button next to your phone number. Now, you'll want to carefully type in your new phone number. Make sure that you enter it accurately, as this information is crucial for account recovery or two-factor authentication if you have that feature enabled. After you've entered your new number, look for the Save Changes button and click it. It's important to remember to save your changes, otherwise, the new number won't be updated, and you'll have to start over. After saving, you might be asked to verify the new phone number, especially if you've enabled security features like two-factor authentication. If verification is required, Etsy will send a text message to your new number with a verification code. Simply input this code into the field provided to confirm your new number. That's it! You've successfully updated your phone number on Etsy. Remember, keeping your contact information up to date ensures you never miss important alerts or communication from buyers and the Etsy team. I hope this walkthrough was helpful, and feel free to check out more of our tutorials if you need any further assistance with your Etsy account. Thanks for watching, and have a wonderful day.